What's up, everybody? It's Justin with JM Naturescapes. I'm super excited because we are going up to Patton. This is my girlfriend's cabins that her family has out there, and we got the dogs, we got some friends, of course her family's coming as well. And the quality of the dark skies out here are some of the best in the world. It's incredible. There's Bortle 1 skies pretty much all around you, except for basically due east, which is the city of Patton, and it's like Bortle 2 there. Some of my favorite and best shots are from there, and I can't wait for hopefully some nights of cloud-free skies. We're either gonna stay 2 nights, maybe 3 if I can sweet talk her, but probably not. We'll see. I am just so excited to check it out because Sunday night we're gonna be there. Saturday, Sunday for sure, and Sunday looks pretty iffy. No clouds, but the transparency looks really bad. So I checked the cloud or the smoke map as well, and I don't see smoke. So I'm not really sure why the transparency would be bad if there's no clouds. So, you know, we'll know tomorrow when night falls, and we'll get to see, you know, hopefully some incredibly pristine skies. And I'll check in with you guys when we get further along. Well, we're at the gas station filling everything up. We want to make sure we get enough gas to get in there. And I think we have about another hour left of the drive. You know, it's pretty cloudy. There are some small holes in the clouds, but honestly doesn't look too great for tonight. Tomorrow night might be a little bit better, but Monday night is looking crystal clear. But the challenge, as I kind of mentioned earlier, is Tuesday we have camping reservations in Rangeley. So it's gonna be a really busy day on Tuesday if we do end up staying Monday night. Fingers crossed. I really wanna stay Monday night, but we should have a good time in Rangeley as well. So looking forward to that too. And I need to do some quick research on some pretty places in Rangeley to get some night photos. So I'm gonna get off to doing that. Well, welcome to Patton. This is their general store right here, the Ellis Family Market. We're gonna go check it out inside. Had to run back in for a quick little meatball sub. Getting hungry out there. Yeah, check that out. Looks like the sky's clearing, man. If it actually clears up tonight, I wanna be so happy. So check out the road. It is all dirt. We'll be on this for, I think, about 10 miles. Then we're gonna go all the way around the lake, and that should take us about 45 minutes. See you there. I had to take a pit stop for somebody to use the restroom, but just check out how crazy it is here. Like, that's just crazy. So pretty. It's so pretty. What is it? What is it? Do you want to come out and play? Yeah? You guys being good passengers? Yeah? This is the sand pit, or what they call the sand pit anyways. Just a kind of gravel, big circle right before we enter into the final part of the drive. We are in the final stretch. This is basically the sketchiest part. We just did a little survey of the road. We wanted to make sure that we could get our little car down here because we're in an SUV, not a ton of clearance. We have maybe 6 to 7 inches of clearance underneath. There's some big rocks, big puddles, and we just want to make sure that we can get down safely because we are in a 2-wheel drive vehicle as well as being extremely remote. So we don't want to take any chances unless we really think that we can get through. So here we go. We made it. Woo, it's a little sketchy. Lots of pretty dang big puddles that were deeper than they looked, but we made it. We made it. We are at camp. We're at camp. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let me give you guys a quick view of kind of what we're working with here. I'm so excited to show you guys this. I can't wait for some night shots. I just hope it's clear. Ooh! Check this beaut out, man. So typically our tent's gonna go right here. This nice little open field. This is where we always do it, so we can have a great view of this over here. There's Peanut! Look at this view. We got a campsite, or a campfire right here. And just this stunning view, dude. Oh my God. Just amazing, stunning. Looks like we got some angry clouds over there. Just appreciate this incredible view, and I can't wait to get taking some shots here once we get everything set up. So here's one of the cabins. This is the good cabin. They're both good cabins, but this one just needs a little bit less maintenance than the other. There's the other cabin. These have been passed down for generations. This one, I'm not sure if it's gonna be used at all. It's mainly just used for storage. But one thing I would really love is the success of the campground, the Dark Sky campground, to be able to help restore these to some really awesome cabins. That would be really cool. Friends are fishing down here. Got the doggo. Some puppers. Eating grass. That's all she ever does. We had a surprise rainstorm. Pretty bad. Really came through. Camera got a little wet, but it's fine. Just wanted to show you how. That's Mount Chase. Milky Way lines up right around here tonight, and it falls that way. That's if we even get clear skies. Quite frankly, I highly doubt it. But welcome to camp, and have lots of fun. Check out this beautiful blue hour. Just amazing. I'm gonna get set up for some shots here, and the reflections look gorgeous. Well, thanks for tuning into the video, guys. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.